नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनलमध्ये आपले मनापासून स्वागत. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करून आम्हाला मदत करा. म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.
Hello friends, it's chapter number 18, Ecosystem. Question number 1. Complete the following by using correct option. 1. Air, water, minerals, soil are factors of an ecosystem into bracket physical, organic, inorganic. Physical. 1. Air, water, minerals, soil are physical factors of an ecosystem. 2. River, ponds, ocean are ecosystems into bracket land, aquatic, synthetic. Aquatic. 2. River, ponds, ocean are aquatic ecosystems. 3. Man is in an ecosystem into bracket producer, consumer, decomposer. Consumer. Number 3. Man is consumer in an ecosystem. Question number 2. Who is my partner? Number producer, ecosystem. Number 1. Cactus. 2. Aquatic plants. 3. Mangroves. 4. Pine. Forest, creek, aquatic, desert. Answer: cactus, desert. Aquatic plants, aquatic. Mangroves, creek. Pine, forest. Question number 3. Give my information. A. Ecosystem. Answer: the world is made up of living and non-living factors. The continued interaction between living and non-living factors, living organisms and their habitat, environment is correlated with each other. This chain of habitat is called as ecosystem. Biotic and abiotic factors and their interactions form an ecosystem. B. Biome. Answer: 1. In some regions on Earth, a large area has some climate and abiotic factors. The living organisms in those areas is also similar. So, a specific ecosystem developer in a vast area. Such large ecosystems are called biomes. 2. Biomes contain many small ecosystems. Earth itself is a vast ecosystem. 2 types of biomes are found on the Earth: land biomes and aquatic biomes. C. Food web. Answer: many food chains are found on the Earth. Food web is a connection of multiple food chains. They are interconnected to each other. This is called food webs. One organism can be prey of many other organisms. Many prey and predators are found in it. Question number 4. Give scientific reasons. A. Plants in an ecosystem are called consumers. Answer. 1. Plants make up the primary trophic level of the food chain. 2. Herbivorous animals which only eat plants consume vegetation from which they are able to produce energy. 3. Herbivores are unable to make their own energy and are known as consumers. B. Large dams destroy ecosystems. Answer. 1. Dams cover huge lands. 2. There may be chances of flood due to a large dams. Such flooding can kill or displace many different organisms, including plants, wildlife, and humans. 3. Therefore, the previous ecosystems in that running water are destroyed. C. Rhinos were restored in Dudhwa forest. Answer. 1. About 150 years ago, Dudhwa forest was the habitat for single-horned rhino. 2. But in 20th century, this animal became extinct due to hunting. 3. On 1st April 1984, this rhino was restored there to maintain the biodiversity. Question number 5. Answer the following. A. What are the effects of increased population on ecosystems? Answer. 1. Population growth said to significantly affect ecosystem services. 2. Due to continued growth in population, there is more demand for housing, and due to this fulfillment, people cut down the forest for the lands and hence the ecosystem gets disturbed. 3. The threat is due to pollution, radiation hazards, exploitation of natural resources. 4. Due to increased population, man kept on using natural resources on the large scale. This gives rise to stress on ecosystem. B. How is urbanization responsible for destruction of ecosystems? Answer. 1. The agricultural lands, marshlands, wetlands, forest lands, and grasslands are be destroyed on large scale for buildings and other basic facilities. 2. Due to such human selfishness, the ecosystem gets destroyed or completely changed. C. What are the reasons for war? Answer. 1. Due to competition over land, water, mineral resources leads to war. 2. Some economic political reasons may give rise to war among human races. D. Explain the interactions among the factors of an ecosystem. Answer. 1. There are two types of factors, biotic and abiotic air, water, soil, sunlight, temperature, etc. These all affects the biotic factor in the ecosystem. 2. The proportion of the abiotic factors in an ecosystem is always changing as biotic factor use abiotic factors. 3. Every biotic factor affects abiotic factors as well as other biotic factors around it. 4. Each and every living organism in an ecosystem plays a role while living, moving in that ecosystem. 5. There are so many varieties of species in them. E. Differentiate between evergreen and grasslands. Number evergreen grassland. 1. The trees of these forests do not shed their leaves, so are called evergreen. These consist of only short plants like grass, shrubs, so they are called grasslands. 2. The plants like pine, hemlock, etc. are found in evergreen forest. Only dwarf plants are found in grasslands. 3. Monkeys, parrots, tigers, etc. animals and number of insects are found here. Goat, giraffe, zebra, etc. animals are found here. Question number 6. Describe the following pictures. Picture 1. Answer. In the first picture, desert area is shown with few plants and camel. This place does not receive rainfall. Here, the days are very hot and night is very cold. Very rare plants are seen in the picture. Second figure. 2. In the second picture, we seen that it is full of greenery with water, birds and animals. There is a lake. Around the lake, tiger is there and some birds are seen. Here, water fulfill the need of living organism. Birds and animals are hunting for their food.
आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करून आम्हाला मदत करा, म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.